Pythium, root rot and pathogen mildew, the stuff nightmares are made of. But what if you could stop them before they even started? So you've got your environment dialed in, your EC stable, and your genetics are top notch, and then it hits. You've got brown slime on your roots, cloudy water and that weird musty smell in your grow room. Or maybe it's up top, white fuzz on your leaves, you've got mildew spreading fast, and there's nothing in your cupboard that actually works. Pathogens like Pythium and pathogen mildew don't care how good your setup is. If they find a way in, they spread fast and they hit hard. And that's where silver bullet roots comes in. It's a high stability silver hydrogen peroxide formula that kills 99% of root zone pathogens without harming any of the beneficial bacteria in the root zone. All you need to do is dose it into your tank and it'll start working in the background. It'll clear your lines, prevent infection and keep your roots nice and healthy. And for your foliage and grow room surfaces, the silver bullet mist. It's a ready to use foliar that kills mould, mildew and bacteria without leaving any residue behind. It's safe to use through veg and early flower. It's perfect for disinfecting tents, tools and even your hands. When your root zone is clean, your plants spend less energy on fighting infections and put more of it into growth. This means with cleaner systems, you'll get better nutrient uptake, faster development and fewer environmental problems overall. And up top, clean leaves photosynthesize more efficiently without any more stress throughout veg.
What we're going to be looking at now in the grow room is the silver bullet range. We use silver bullet here in the chili grow in a couple of ways. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using silver bullet in the tank and I can dose it between 2 and 8 mil. If I think there's an issue within the root mass, so basically being all the water got a little bit warm, you're starting to get any kind of issues within the root zone, Pythium, things like that, you can go up to 8 mil per 10 litre. That will basically kill anything within the root zone, any bad bacteria growing in there. And then I would be dosing every week or every 2 weeks. Every time you do a tank refill, add this product into your root zone. It's a great product if you want to run a sterile environment, but literally, we've been adding it here. It's been really, really warm over the last few weeks. So we've been adding it in the tank just to make sure we don't get any Pythium. These plants have been in this room now for quite a few months, all the way through the hot season. So this has been a lifesaver. What we'll also be doing when we strip these chili plants out and start again, we'll be using the silver bullet spray. And what we do with this, we literally go around, spray all the fittings, all the tanks, all the pots. Make sure you give it a clean, spray it on. Any stubbornness, give it a really good spray. Sit it for a while, then clean it down with a cloth. That will get rid of any pathogens, any bacteria, ready to set up your brand new grow without any issues whatsoever. So that's it for silver bullet. Silver bullet roots in the tank, silver bullet mist, spraying everything down, get rid of all those nasty bacteria and pathogens. Thanks for listening, guys. Back to Josh in the studio.
So whether you're fighting infections or just trying to stay ahead of the curve, silver bullet roots and mist are your go-to weapons. Roots keep your system clean from the inside out, while mist protects your leaves, your surfaces and your space without leaving a trace. They're safe, they're powerful and they're seriously effective at keeping your grow on track. If you've got any questions about how to use silver bullet, drop it in the comments and we'll be more than happy to help. And if you've used either of them before, let us know your results. So hit like, subscribe and we'll see you next time on Product Focus.